Hey guys, what's going on? Before I share this adventure with you guys that I went on today, I just want to remind you to stay until the end of the video. I'm going to talk more about the shooting process of this video. I ran into some problems, so we'll talk about that. But for right now, let's do this. Let's roll this beautiful bean footage. Hello everybody, this is Wilson. What's going on? Today we are at the Kennebunk Plains. It's a wildlife management area. So this is also known as the Blueberry Plains, and we're just going to take a look around. I'm going to do some GoPro footage, and we're just going to take a look around. We're going on an adventure, guys. And you know, we're going to also do some drone flight. Let's see how the wind holds up. We're going to have a nice view from the air. So come and join me, guys. Let's go. Alright, so I guess we're going to start this way, see where this takes us. Seems like it's a nice little trail. I like this trail. Yeah, this is fun. I like this. Oh, what do you guys think? I think this might be a good area to launch our drone. I say we go do that. Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit further in so I can kind of be in the middle of where everything is. So I'm gonna put out my helipad. We're gonna launch this drone and see what we can do. I'm gonna try to add some screen recording from my phone so you can see the telemetry and how many feet I went up in the air and all that. And I'm gonna have the GoPro on my head. So here we go. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see what I see here. I have the GoPro mounted on my head. I look really weird, but I have the telepad ready to go, and I have my drone ready to go. I'm gonna put up wind compass, see where the wind's coming from, and it looks like the wind is coming from the south, so we're gonna ride out into the south. UAV forecast. Right now it says it's not good to fly 300 feet, 15 miles per hour, with 25 miles per hour. Wow, we might not be able to do this flight, guys. Let's see if we can do what we can right now. This is my first time balancing out all these different things all at once, so bear with me. DJI fly. We're gonna ride out into the south, so we're gonna go this way. I'm gonna take off. Let's do it.
Take off. The home point has been updated.
Here we go.
Please
Let's
check
see
it on the map.
She's doing anything yet? My compass is kind of off. Let's take off very slowly here. Let's see if she's fighting any wind yet. I'm gonna back up a little bit. All right, here we go. So 40 feet.
Still flying line of sight. 100 feet. I'm gonna go to 150 feet. Oh, strong winds. Let's see how bad the winds are just by leaving it there. About 0.3. It's not too bad. All right, we're gonna kind of just look around real quick. Do a quick pan. Still can see the drone. Getting kind of windy out here. So now I'm flying against the wind, with the wind, so we're gonna kind of circle it around a little bit. Okay, I'm not seeing the drone now. I kind of circle around just
Maximum
a little bit.
flight distance reached.
Oh, maximum distance reached. Okay, I had it set for a certain amount. So let's bring up the map here. See if we can bring it back to where we were. Any particular structures we can look at? Let's see. I don't see anything special over here. I went this way, right? All right. All right, well, that's pretty much enough for me today. I really like it out on this trail. I think I'm going to come again. I'm sorry if the video is not coming out too good, but this is the best I can do. We're still learning how to multitask with our equipment and enjoy at the same time. So guys, my battery's dying. What do you think about Blueberry Plains? Did you like it? You want to see me come back here again when it's not so windy? Let me know, guys. It was to be expected. The wind gusts were kind of high today, so we did what we could with the drone, and surprisingly it held up all right, but I wasn't going to take a chance. So thank you guys. This is Wilson. Y'all be good. Get out and enjoy the weather. It's really nice out here, guys. Peace. Have a good day.
All right, so thank you for sticking near the end of the video. I'm going to talk real quickly about what had happened with shooting this. Unfortunately, I had some issues, specifically the drone portion of the video where I didn't press record on the drone. So that's why you're not seeing the drone footage in high quality. But luckily, I was capturing my phone screen because the drone connects to my phone and connects to the drone controller at the same time. So we were able to see some drone footage here. So hopefully you guys like that. It's not in higher quality as we want it to be, but hey, it is what it is. So this is just a rough cut video, guys. It's, you know, no music, not a lot of B-roll. Hopefully you guys like the video. But going out to Blueberry Plains, it was a good adventure. I liked it pretty much. There were some times that I had trouble with shooting with the GoPro. Specifically when shooting on my head mount. That's the first time I really shot with the head mount. So next time we'll just adjust the GoPro a little bit down. We didn't see much of what was on the ground. So it is what it is, but it's Blueberry Plains, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for sticking by, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.